Try this question. fx is equal to, in general, okay, in general हमने क्या स्टडी किया? fx is equal to signum of gx. This is discontinuous when gx is equal to 0. This is concept of discontinuity for signum function. Try this question. fx is equal to signum of x square minus ax plus 1. If this function continuous for all x belongs to R, find values of a. अगर ये फंक्शन हमेशा कंटिन्यूअस है फॉर ऑल x belongs to R, what are the values of a? How you can make this continuous for all x belongs to R? You will never let this become what? 0. इसका मतलब ये क्वाड्रेटिक हमेशा क्या होगा? Greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0. Why less than 0 not possible? Because x square coefficient is positive. The graph of this function should be like this. It must lie above x-axis always. And what is the condition for this? D is less than 0. Concavity is already upward due to x square coefficient 1. So a square minus 4 less than 0. A minus 2, a plus 2 less than 0. So what are the values of a? Lying between minus 2 to 2. आई होप समझ में आ रही है. ठीक है, जब a माइनस 2 और 2 के बीच में होगा तब ये हमेशा क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव. उस टाइम पे इसका सिग्नम फंक्शन क्या हो जाएगा? 1 हो जाएगा. दिस विल बी ऑलवेज कंटिन्यूअस. Try this one. Find values of a if this function is continuous for all x belongs to R. It is a plus 3 sin x. For all x belongs to R, I want to make this function continuous. कोई आइडिया कैसे आएगा वैल्यू? ओके, सी इन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन we can make this always what? Positive. We cannot make this always negative. But here we can make this both either always positive or always negative. So when this is always positive negative करेंगे या किस तरह से करेंगे? A plus 3 sin x, we can make this either always positive और we can make this always either negative. ये negative भी हो सकता है. A plus 3 sin x is less than 0 for all x belongs to R and here positive for all x belongs to R. So यहाँ पे आएगा A greater than minus 3 sin x for all x belongs to R. Can you suggest when A is always more than minus 3 sin x, what should be value of A? More than plus 3. That's fine. When A is always more than this function, when you ensure that A is greater than what? Least value of this function or greatest value of this function? Greatest value. नहीं, least नहीं, greatest से बढ़ा दो. देखो, minus 3 sin x का greatest value क्या हो जाएगा? plus 3 हो जाएगा. जब sin x का खुद का value क्या होगा? minus 1. अगर हम A का वैल्यू इस फंक्शन की ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू से भी बढ़ा देते हैं, ठीक है, तो A हमेशा क्या हो जाएगा? इससे ज्यादा हो जाएगा ना. आई होप समझ में आ रहा है कॉन्सेप्ट. तो यहां पे आएगा A is greater than 3. See, when you ensure A is always greater than fx, when you ensure that A is greater than what? Least value of fx or greatest value of fx? Greatest value of fx. And here A is less than minus 3 sin x. So A is less than what? Less than least value of minus 3 sin x. That is what? Minus 3. तो आवर आंसर इज आइदर ए ग्रेटर देन 3 और ए लेस देन -3, और ए बिलोंग्स टू -infinity to -3 union 3 to infinity, or you can say modulus of a is what? Greater than 3. तो ये सिग्नम फंक्शन क्या होगा? आइदर ऑलवेज 1 और ऑलवेज -1. ठीक है, पर दोनों केसेस में फंक्शन हमेशा क्या होगा? कंटिन्यूअस हो जाएगा.